In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn TikTok videos into slow motion videos. So once you're on TikTok, you can go ahead and select a video that you want to turn into a slow motion video. So I'm just going to select this one that's on the home page. Now to be able to download this video, I tap on the little share icon at the bottom. I tap on that and then I go ahead and tap on save video. That's going to go ahead and save the video for me to my camera roll. So now that video should be on my camera roll. If I go to my camera roll and have a look, you can see here's the video right here. So what I need to do now is go to the Google Play Store, and this is an Android device, and I'm not too sure if this app is available on the Apple App Store, but for an Android device you want to go ahead and type in the search bar slow motion video, and you can go ahead and search for that, and it's this app right here, Slow Motion Video Maker. And as you can see, I have it installed. So if I go ahead and open it up, you'll be presented with an ad. You just have to watch the ad for a couple of seconds and then close it out. And now you have the option, you can make the video slow motion, you can cut it, you can make it a reverse video, and so on. If I tap on slow motion video and I go ahead and select that clip that I just downloaded, you can go ahead and turn it all the way to the left and make it half the speed. So if I go ahead and tap on the little tick mark at the top, it's going to go ahead and save that. I tap on OK. Another ad will appear, you just have to watch that, close that out, and now the video should have been saved to my camera roll. So if I go to my camera roll and I exit the original and go to the slow motion one, you can see now the video is in slow motion. So that is how you turn a TikTok video into a slow motion video. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.